Hey, so we want to show you a video on how to jump start a car without jumper cables, with flames and fire and smoke. Are you ready? Tyler, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Travis, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here it is. Basically, you got the car running. We leave it running. We're gonna pop this battery out.
Start it.
You can be in it because you gotta start the ascent. Right? Alright. Same thing, but you are gonna want to be where you can start it, right? And then you are gonna want to be where you can see this. Well, you want to see the cables, right? What? It cold in there?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
It is cold in there? We're not breaking nothing. There's the ground. And can you see it touch? Can you, hey Tyler, can you see it touch?
Yeah.
All right. Start it. Give it gas. Get him, get him, get him. Get it, get it, get it.
Oh. Look at that Jeep, bro. Oh shit. Do it again. Hey, run it. It's kind of quiet.
Huh?
It's kind of quiet.
I know, I still think you blew a cylinder on it.
Is it leaking?
Oh yeah, look down there. It's fucking pouring on